Hello, good people. I am Chutki. Welcome or welcome back. And if you are wondering, yes, I have a cold. So please pardon my nasal voice. So, how you guys are doing? Today I am going to share a quick and easy Schezwan chicken rice recipe and gonna share a small story along with it. And not gonna say anything about ingredient details as it will be mentioned on the screen itself. So let's start, shall we? Few days back, we made this rice and let me tell you all guys, it turned out really delicious. And something happened which caught our attention and made this recipe even more special to us. And immediately we decided to share this recipe with you all guys and document this experience in our own way. So, the thing is, maximum of our parents have a very specific Indian palate and they don't really want to experiment with their food choices. Shei torkaruti to biryani is the limit. But our ma is a big Chinese food lover just like us. But again, Bengalis and their অম্বলের ভয় এটা খাবো যদি বুকে জ্বালা করে ওটা খাবো না বাবা যদি শরীরটা ম্যাচ করে and it goes on. Anyways, come to the point. So for that reason, we made this rice in a small portion and only two of us got to eat it properly, where ma and baba were having their regular dal bhat and we just gave them small portions just for taste. While serving it to baba, we said, "Baba, তোমার হয়তো খেতে ভালো লাগবে না, তাও বানিয়েছি একটু খেয়ে দেখো." And as expected, ma said, ভাতটা খেতে খুব ভালো হয়েছে, কিন্তু চালটা ঝরঝরে নয় কেন রে? And the reason behind was, we intentionally prepared it this way. By putting scrambled eggs on top of the rice at the end, the rice grains remain intact. However, with eggs added the way boy does it, it creates a nice creamy texture in the dish. It's a bit hutke from usually what we eat, but we really enjoy it this way. Anyways, back to the point. So that was ma's reaction. But surprisingly, Baba ate it all and left no crumbs and complimented Boi minimum 7 to 8 times. Even though we know that Baba really don't like the acquired taste of soy sauce and vinegar, but still he made sure to eat the whole thing, and not only that, he complimented Boi so many times just because of the thing Boi said to him while serving. I mean, I really don't know if you guys can feel me or not. I know this is a very common gesture of our parents to appreciate our smallest efforts and make a big deal out of it. But বিষয়টা কত মিষ্টি না? These small gestures and efforts can make your day. Even though we knew Baba didn't like the rice that much, but for us, he didn't really lie to us because he said ভালো লেগেছে and ভালোবাসা also has ভালো in it. So বাবা ভালোবেসেছে মানেই বাবার ভালো লেগেছে. Well, that was the story. I know it's very simple and very common, but sometimes we forget to capture these small but very precious moments. So keep capturing special moments and you can absolutely share them with us as well. আর হ্যাঁ, চুপ করে গল্প শোনার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ. Take care. Until then, burp burp.